Hi, it's Jeremy Johnson, CPA, and I wanted to do a follow-up video on something that I mentioned in a previous video that dealt with IRA contributions and distributions. Now, the statement that I made is that a distribution from your individual retirement account can impact the premium tax credit that you are eligible for. So I received questions saying, Jeremy, what in the world is a premium tax credit? So the premium tax credit is a tool that the IRS has placed at our disposal. So it's for anyone that is within a low to a moderate income range. It helps individuals to be able to afford medical insurance. So for those of you that are enrolled, you may see on your statement, you'll see the premium here. Right under that, it'll have the tax credit that reduces your monthly premium that you're required to pay. So it's an immediate benefit. And so that's what the premium tax credit is for. Now, when you receive this credit, a lot of times what you'll receive is a form 1095A. So this is the form that basically shows the premium that you're paying out and the amount of your tax credit on a monthly basis. And this is a document that you should be presenting to your tax preparer as they file your taxes so that you can reconcile what your income actually was for the year versus what you put in when you applied for the tax credit. So be on the lookout for that form. It is called a 1095A. And sometimes the IRS will request this form. They'll just say, hey, we need to see your 1095A form. Now, keep in mind, this is a form that is actually submitted on an IRS document. However, it has been requested. So I don't know. That happens. The other thing that I want to mention is that even for those filers that due to their income level typically do not have to file, if you receive a premium tax credit, you are required to file. So keep that in mind. Even if you never file, but you receive this premium tax credit, you do need to file because the IRS basically wants to reconcile the amount of credit you received versus the amount of credit that you're actually eligible for. Okay, so keep that in mind. The last thing that I want to touch on really briefly, but this is very important. So I'm going to slow down a little bit. Okay, so for anyone that receives a notice from the IRS, please, please, please do not push it to the side. Take it very seriously. Be proactive. Okay, so what I mean by that, take this notice, contact your tax preparer or your CPA, and let them know that you have this notice from the IRS and something needs to be done immediately. Okay, the sooner you act, the better everything goes for you. Okay, the smoother everything gets laid out. So you want to be sure to be very proactive and jump on top of these notices as soon as you receive them. Don't be frightened and put it in a drawer. It's not going to go away. It's only going to get worse if you ignore it. So please, please address any notice that you receive from the IRS. And as always, if you have questions, feel free to reach out to us. Check out our website, www.jajohnsoncpa.com, or feel free to hit us up on Facebook. And we'll see you next time. Thank you.